Did you know that you're not walking around with the same skeleton you were born with? Your bones are in a constant state of change. Every 10 years, your skeleton practically renews itself. But how does that even happen? Stick around to learn the science behind how your bones are rebuilt all the time, and why that matters for your health and longevity, and how AI is playing a role in future bone and joint health. We will also look at how you can support the bones that support you. Chapter 1. Bone composition. Bones are living tissues that constantly undergo growth and repair throughout a person's life. They provide structural support for the body, protect vital organs, and serve as sites for blood cell production. Bones are composed of collagen, calcium, and phosphorus. Calcium and phosphorus are minerals that make bones strong and rigid, whereas collagen is a protein that gives bones flexibility. Bone growth begins in early fetal development and continues into adulthood. However, not all bone growth is the same. Long bones like the femur grows with a process called endochondral ossification. Cartilage serves as a template, and osteoblasts replace it with bone tissue. Flat bones like the skull use a different process called intramembranous ossification. The bone develops directly from connective tissue without a cartilage stage in this process. Growth occurs in the growth plates called epiphyseal plates are located at the ends of long bones. These plates produce new cartilage, which is then replaced by bone tissue. The growth plates harden once a person reaches adulthood, and bones stop growing in length. Chapter 2. Your bones are alive. You most likely never thought about it, but your bones are alive. They're not the lifeless, solid structures you might think. Osteoclasts are the demolition crew. Beneath the surface, your bones are buzzing with activity. They break down old bone tissue, a process called resorption. Meanwhile, osteoblasts are like tiny construction workers, building fresh new bone in a process known as formation. These two processes together are called bone remodeling. It doesn't happen all at once. Different bones remodel at different rates. Your bones are working on different schedules to keep your skeleton strong and healthy. Chapter 2. Why bones remodel themselves. Bone remodeling is essential for a few reasons. First, it helps maintain bone strength. Our bones endure stress and strain daily while walking, running, even just sitting. Without regular remodeling, they'd wear down and become fragile. Second, it allows our body to repair minor damages we might not even feel. Every time you stub your toe or twist your ankle, your bones make tiny repairs, and that's all part of the remodeling process. And finally, it helps balance your body's calcium levels. Your bones act like a bank for calcium, releasing it when your body needs it for other functions, like helping your heartbeat or muscles contract. Chapter 3. The 10-year skeleton replacement. Your bones are constantly breaking down and rebuilding, but after about 10 years, you essentially have an entirely new skeleton. The bones in your body right now are less than a decade old. Bone health and growth are essential for overall well-being. But the rate at which this happens varies. For instance, the bones in your arms and legs might remodel faster than your skull or spine. This is because bones under more stress and activity need to be remodeled more frequently to keep up with the demands. Bone density reaches its peak around age 30, after which it can slowly decline. Factors like nutrition, especially calcium and vitamin D, physical activity, weight-bearing exercises, and hormones, like estrogen, affect bone health. Regular bone remodeling helps keep bones strong, but conditions like osteoporosis can weaken bones over time. Chapter 4. How to support healthy bone regrowth. Here are 6 ways to support and stimulate healthy bone regrowth. Number 1. Adequate calcium intake. Calcium is essential for bone formation and maintaining bone density. Make sure to include calcium-rich foods in your diet, such as dairy products, lean meat, cheese, and nuts. Leafy greens like kale and broccoli. Fortified foods, including orange juice and cereals. Adults generally need around 1,000 milligrams of calcium daily, with postmenopausal women and older men needing up to 1,200 milligrams daily. Number 2. Vitamin D for calcium absorption. Vitamin D plays a crucial role in helping the body absorb calcium from the diet. Sunlight exposure is the best natural source, but you can also get vitamin D from fatty fish like salmon and mackerel. Combined with supplements if necessary, adults typically need 600 to 800 international units of vitamin D daily, but those with low levels might require higher doses. Number 3. Regular physical activity, particularly weight-bearing and resistance exercises, stimulates bone formation and helps maintain bone density. Effective exercises include walking, jogging, hiking, weightlifting, resistance training, or climbing stairs. These activities put pressure on bones, encouraging bone tissue remodeling and growth. Number 4. Sufficient protein intake. Protein is a building block of bone tissue. Ensure you're consuming enough protein, as it supports bone regeneration. Including protein-rich foods like salmon, shrimp, poultry, and lean meat are other good sources of protein. Number 5. Avoid excessive alcohol and smoking. Alcohol and smoking can negatively affect bone density and impair the body's ability to rebuild bones. Number 6. Maintaining a healthy body weight. Being underweight or overweight can negatively impact bone health. Maintaining a healthy weight ensures that bones are not overburdened by excessive stress and also reduces the risk of fractures. Chapter 5. AI, Robotic Surgery and the Future of Bone Health. AI-powered robots are bringing unprecedented precision to bone surgeries. Traditional bone surgeries, such as joint replacements or fracture repairs, require extreme accuracy. Even slight deviations in implant placement or bone alignment can lead to complications. These surgeries include joint replacements, spinal surgeries, and bone fracture repairs. Orthopedic surgery is one of the most common areas where robotic systems are having a significant impact. Robots like the Mako system, used in joint replacements, guide surgeons' hands during procedures. These robots work with millimeter precision, ensuring that implants are placed in the exact position for maximum effectiveness and minimal risk of post-operative complications. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about your ever-changing skeleton, suggestions on keeping your bones strong, and how AI is playing a role in bone health, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more cool health and science facts from Health Equals Wellness, and leave a comment below with any questions you might have about your bones.